Welcome back to 360 Virtual Autos, where the rubber meets the digital road. Today, we're spotlighting a marvel of engineering and design, the 2024 C8 Corvette 3LT Convertible Z51. With its heart thundering with the power of a 6.2 liters V8 engine, this masterpiece sprints from 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds. But tranquility gives way to adrenaline as our journey takes an unexpected turn. The calm of the California country is shattered by the pursuit of law, a challenge the 2024 C8 Corvette 3LT Convertible Z51 meets with the roar of its engine. The chase is on. With every downshift, the Corvette's prowess is undeniable, its 6.2 liters heart beating a rhythm of escape. The Z51 Performance Package proves its mettle, turning country roads into racetracks, each turn a testament to the Corvette's handling and the driver's skill. As the Corvette carves through the California landscape, its blend of power and grace is undeniable. The open road calls, and the 2024 C8 Corvette 3LT Convertible Z51 answers with the wind in its wake and the horizon always ahead. As the sun dips lower, painting the sky in shades of escape, the Corvette and its pursuers dance a high-speed ballet. The California countryside, once a picture of peace, now serves as the stage for a thrilling display of speed and strategy. And then, as swiftly as it began, the chase dissipates into the rearview mirror. The 2024 C8 Corvette 3LT Convertible Z51, with its unmatched speed and spirit, claims the night. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you for watching, and remember, until next time, keep driving.